What's going on, guys? So we're here at Shady Trails. So we're still looking at between like that 575, 550 mark. We are here, as you can tell. Shady Trails has an amazing master community. They got the tennis courts, they got a full playground, they got like a full place for barbecues. They do have some attached and detached condo style homes available right now in that price range. So as you guys can see, these next to us here, they have, they're considered detached, but they are like in a cluster. So you got about 3 together. You have 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna be checking these out first. I'll give you guys some short clips of what they look like on the inside. Super clean homes. HOA is probably gonna be around 270 to 300. And after this, we are gonna check out Birch Bend, which is a little bit further back that way. We'll check it out. But first, we're gonna check out these Juniper homes. So again, price point around that 550 to 575 mark. Amazing, amazing community. I'm gonna give you guys just a overview. The drone's gonna go up and it's gonna show you what the community looks like. Prime location here in the city of Fontana. So I do like that the bedrooms are all upstairs. Really nice, as you guys can see. Let's go check out the bottom. Look at that master. Whew. So move-in ready, guys. Look at this kitchen. A lot of these, they won't come as upgraded, but really nice homes. Like, this is great for a young family or somebody that just doesn't really care for having a lot of space and wants to have a park right across the street. This is golden. All right, guys, so this is residence 2. Again, it has pretty decent space down here. Good for people who don't want to do much on the outside, because the backyard, it's more like a little patio. Let's check out the top, second floor. Residence 1 here. Some people don't like residence 1 because you got to go up these stairs when you walk in. So you walk in, that's the first thing you see is stairs. Some people don't like it, but everything else up here, second floor, super clean. I love the open space. I love this patio right here. Let's check out the patio. So personally, my favorite, Residence 3. Residence 2 is super cool too. It's a little bit tighter. Residence 1 is cool, but with kids, I mean, the garage is downstairs, but still with kids, being upstairs, going up and down the stairs, coming in, especially for the wife, can be a little bit tough. So people are wondering on that residence 1, what's under that. So this is the resident 1 up here. It's going to be the garages. So you have 1, 2, 3 garages for those 3 units. So they're all in a cluster of 3. So you get the 2 units in the front that are detached. You get the unit that's detached in the back. That's only single story, but 2nd floor with the garages on the bottom. So they're all pretty much detached. You won't have anyone under you, so that's super cool. But you do have to go up the stairs. I personally like residence 3. If you could pay a little bit more money, they do have great incentives as far as Juniper itself. They're offering $25,000 in incentives to help you with your HOA, to buy down the rate, to pay for closing costs. I had talked to the representative before, and he did mention that a lot of people are using it to buy down the rate and closing costs. And then obviously HOA are going to be HOA, so you might as well start paying for that. I would prefer buying down that rate, having that lower rate, than using it towards HOA, where HOA is going to be what it is. HOA is like around $275. Typically, it is going to start going down once all the phases are completed. It's just kind of how it works. But overall, great little community you have there, great little cluster. They are going to have a phase releasing soon, and those homes will be most likely done September, October. So if you're looking to get into something like this could be the right home for you guys. I like it. I likes it. I really like the community. We're going to be going through kind of where the park area. There's some kids playing here earlier, kind of quiet now. They also have like a clubhouse. So they have a bunch of amenities. Take care of the landscaping out here. You don't have to worry about landscaping itself, but it looks super clean. All right, guys, so we just checked out Juniper Community. It was great at Shady Trails in Fontana. If you're looking to get into one of these homes, please contact us. We are your new build specialists in Southern California. There's going to be a link in the bio to be able to book a 15-minute call with us. And if you're looking to search more homes, there's also going to be a link there. And if you're looking to do resale, we actually do a lot of resale ourselves, and we're here to help you out. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.